Okay, so finally my new speedometer cable arrived in the post. So I've whipped out the old one, and I don't know if you can see that, but like we said before, the piece down the centre is just missing, which I guess answers the question of why the speedo didn't work in the car. As you can see on this new one, there's a little cable that goes down the middle, and that's what actually spins round. So how this one ever works, I don't know. Yeah. So I've read people say on some forums that these speedometer cables come from the factory inadequately lubricated. No one likes that. Big blob of lithium grease all down it. Beautiful. That's a nice job. Down there. So hopefully this has got a lot more years of use in it now. Well, the fact that it will hopefully even work will be a huge step forward from where we were. Lovely job. There we go. So annoyingly, the bloody speedo still doesn't work. I mean, you know, so the cable's got a key piece missing, and you take the cable out, replace it with a new one. Yeah, why would that fix it? So I'm a bit annoyed about that, but there you go. It is twitching actually. Oh! It's twitching, it wants to move. That sort of suggests it's not going round properly. Okay, yeah, we have a twitchy speedo. Oh no, it is going up. Hey! Apparently I'm doing 90 miles an hour. I'm now doing 100 miles an hour. That may not be accurate. Yeah, I'm still doing 90. So I have to get some footage of this speedo because it is hilarious. So I'm not moving currently, and we're going just over 60 miles per hour. We just pull away. Oh yeah. It's sort of very, very fast acceleration. It goes like 0 to 100 and back again, up and down. Yeah, like I said, this is an improvement. It didn't used to move at all. Now it's all over the place. After doing some overnight reading on the speedo flipping about all over the place, I now know that apparently that's very, very bad, and that means the speedo is not going round correctly and is on the verge of breaking. So with that, decided to take the whole display out, open it up, clean it up, and I guess take the opportunity to clean everything else within it if I can. It's much easier to do taking the whole thing out, so yeah, let's go for it. Okay, with a little bit of perseverance I have managed to get this little tiny little plug out. So I think within here there should be a little felt plug or something. It feels gunked up to high heaven in there. So I did manage to get the felt plug out, but it came out in 100 little bits, so that's not ideal. But yeah, there's lots of satisfyingly black crap coming out of here. So yeah, there is definitely a lot of rubbish in here that can come out. That out about as well as I think I can. So I just put a couple of drops of 3-in-1 in there. So a little spindle on the back where the speedometer cable connects. That seems to now spin quite nicely. So yeah, I'd like to think that has sorted it. Tempted to have a closer look at the fuel gauge. If I can convince myself that this is definitely working, then I know it's definitely an issue with the fuel sender, which I'm 99% sure it is anyway. Yeah, that's my gauge. All looks pretty clean and tidy. No reason to think that doesn't work. Okay, so here we're bench testing the fuel gauge, so just wiring it directly to the battery effectively. So that is when equivalent to the fuel tank being completely full, and this simulates the tank is empty. There we go. Doesn't quite go down to 0, which is, I guess, not great. Right, enough fun with electrics.